During the Drug-Free Karnataka Abhiyan seized drug destruction program at Dobbaspet, Home Minister Dr. G. Parameshwar addressed the issue of drug trafficking and addiction in Karnataka. He highlighted concerns about youth falling prey to drug addiction, including cases of drugs being laced in chocolates to target school and college students. Dr. Parameshwar emphasized the need for stringent measures, including potential laws to confiscate the property of those involved in drug trafficking. He stressed the importance of preventing drug trafficking to safeguard society, mentioning the challenges faced by some countries and the proactive measures taken by others. The minister urged district police officials to take strict action against drug trade, particularly involving foreign students and individuals from Africa. He reiterated the government's commitment to building a drug-free Karnataka through initiatives such as drug testing kits, special police training, and law enforcement efforts. Notable attendees at the event included State Director General of Police Alok Mohan and various police commissioners and superintendents from different zones in Karnataka.